Thank you, SolarQuarter, for the interview. My name is Abhishek and I'm Director South Asia for Huasun Energy. So Huasun is basically the technology giant, and Huasun is also a leader in HJT technology. So we have a 20 gigawatt module line. We are vertically integrated, so we have 20 gigawatt of cell, wafer as well as modules. And the major advantages of HJT I would sum up in 3-4 major critical points. One of them is the high bifaciality, because HJT modules have almost 90% bifaciality factor, plus minus 5%. Then the degradation factor is very low. It is the lowest in the segment, with less than 1% in the first year, and year on year the degradation is from second year onwards it's 0.3%. So even at the end of 30th year, the product performance is still 90.3%, which is extremely good. The next part is the temperature coefficient. HJT modules are having the lowest temperature coefficient, which is 0.24%. And the last feature is the efficiency. The HJT modules are extremely highly efficient, and we have reached efficiencies up to 24.6% recently. Huasun is a company which is believing a lot in continuous improvements and continuous innovations. Right now, the latest advancements that I would like to talk about is that we have manufactured a module which is giving the output of 768.938 watt peak, and the efficiencies are around 24.75%. The other innovation that I would like to talk about is the zero bus bar technology that we have announced.